Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, aka Ross Barron, and we are back with another Dollar Tree haul, so please stay tuned for the new goodies. So for the first time, I don't necessarily have the essentials because I have enough, but I did splurge a little in terms of my own personal choices and stuff that I wanted for the season. So this was necessary. They haven't brought the regular 6, but these bring 8 sponges. This is not Scrub Buddies. This is Korazi. I think it's the pronunciation. Brings 8 scouring sponges. They're a bit small. But yeah, I figured I'd give this a try. So, they come in a multitude of colors, not just yellow and green, but blue and red. So, and green. So I'll give this a try. They just, because they didn't have my usual go-to. So this was necessary. And I do recommend this brand. Only brings 5, used to bring 8, but the economy. Ziploc bags by Hefty, storage slider, gallon, trial pack. You can see it's 5 bags per package. And I like to keep them for, organization and other purposes. So I thought I'd get a pack. And in their food section, Libby's pineapple tidbits in light syrup, all natural fruit. Each can is 20 ounces. So I thought I'd give this a try. I have tried their other products, but I've never tried their light syrup. So we'll give this a try. But I can't recommend them enough. They really are good for $1.25. Now let's get into the fun stuff. In their beauty healthcare section, I want to say this is almost comparable. I forget to the name brand. I think it's Clear and something or Neutrogena. But anyway, it works in the same sense to get the makeup off. It says cleanses and hydrates all in one. No rinsing, no alcohol, no residue. Bath and Beauty. And it's cleansing water. 8 fluid ounces, all types, all skin types, even sensitive. So I'm going to give this a try. I forget who recommended this, if it was Sensational Finds. I think she recommended these. And there really are nearly the same. They're dupes sometimes. So again, what you think, it's $1.25, can't be great. To be honest, sometimes they are actually the product that you would buy at your usually like your Target or your Walgreens, whatever's left open, because we all know what happened to the Walgreens or Rite Aid pharmacy. It's the same brand. It's just, put in this like generic bottle and a tad bit smaller than what you would find at the regular big brand stores. So I thought I'd give this a try, but just because, again, Halloween is around the corner, and if you're doing any eye makeup, y'all, you need to wipe, you need to take them off, you can't be going to sleep with a bunch of makeup on, so I thought I'd give this a try as opposed to buying the $10 bottle. Sorry. So this is in the health beauty section, and this definitely reminded me of Neutrogena, but this is called Kissable, Acne Wash Oil Free, Salicylic acid, acne treatment, gentle, effective cleanser for a clearer complexion. 7 fluid ounces. I thought I'd give this a try. It definitely gave me Neutrogena vibes, so we'll see. Perhaps the density won't be the exact same, but if it gets the job done and it doesn't do anything in terms of my skin, I will let you guys know if it is worth the $1.25. But I was running low, so I bought those 2. Now they do have a set. I didn't find it this trip, but they have had in the past products that are comparable to L'Oreal. And I believe L'Oreal has something similar to this. This is obviously not L'Oreal. This is called, I can't read the name right now. Mary's, something botanicals. I can't make it out. The letters are too small. But it's a wand. It reminds me of L'Oreal. And it says age defy, dark circles and puffiness serum, instant 3-in-1 treatment, dark circles, puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles, dermatologist developed, won't clog pores, 0.25 fluid ounces. So I'm going to give this a try. It seems like this is the actual size, what they say. I can't read the name of it though. Well, I hope it's coming clear on the camera. It's coming. I hope. Hold on a second. I hope you can guys make that out. No. Anyway, but if you come across this wand, pick it up because I think honestly it's comparable to the L'Oreal. So, and $1.25, you can't go wrong. So that's in the health and beauty section. And in their electronic section, I already bought headphones. And in fact, I spray painted it. But I couldn't help but love this bubblegum color because it reminds me of, you guessed it, Barbie. So I don't know. Maybe I may vary. Depends on how I put my DIY costume together. But I thought I'd pick it up anyway because it's just a nice, pretty magenta hot bubblegum pink. And as you can see, it's by eCircuit accessories. I've tried them; they do work. Do they work well? No. It is $1.25, but I like it for the aesthetics, and I love it for its appearance. So we'll give this a try. This is in their electronic section. In their hair care section, I picked up a hair donut. It is great. Comes, I think, in a blonde or kind of yellowish tint. And then they have this brunette tint, which is great. If you're doing anything that requires volume to your hair or wigs, I really recommend these. So I picked up a hair donut, as you can see. And there are instructions on the back on how to do a number of styles. So be on the lookout if you see it and if I recommend it. And of course, we are in the Halloween holiday, y'all. So their Dollar Tree has been starting over a month already. And so they've brought out their candies already, Reese's miniature cups, milk chocolate, and peanut butter. So if you see these in any of my reviews, you already know. $1.25, 3 ounces per package. So again, I didn't want to buy too many because again, don't want to go too crazy with the candies. So picked up a pack, and tell me this isn't the cutest. I love their signage. I love their signs. Honestly, whoever comes up with the designs or the ideas, the brainstorming, God bless you. This really gave me I saw another one that was kind of like a psychic sign, but I just love this so much more. Black Cat Cauldron Supply, and as you can see, it says potions, poisons, tonics, and elixirs. I love this. And then you have these 3 dangling little bottles. It says Full Moon, Transformation Tonic, Vampire Venom. Oh, I love that. And Mummified Bones, 100% natural. I think honestly it's just going to look so cool. And it dangles. See? Dangles all cute and stuff. So if you see it in my background, you already know this is in there. It's kind of like, the school supply Halloween combination section. Hope you can see it. It says hanged sign. So I just thought I'd treat myself to some nice new items that I needed, and also just to spruce up the decoration in the background when I do my reviews. So you already know, y'all. If you like anything here, let me know in the comment section down below. If you'd like me to try anything on camera, let me know as well. Might set up a Cash App or a Patreon, or somehow in case if you want to donate to my channel or help with the channel, please let me know. And if you'd like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, review, and haul. I hope you've enjoyed, and until my next video, y'all. XOXO, Nerdy Girl.